Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby to get ourselves a treat.
Alright guys, today we're going to take a look at the JX1601 mini folding drone. Now, there is an option for this for a camera, but I didn't get the camera version. I got the El Cheapo $16 version. There's the manual. And of course, you know, the writing is so microscopically small, I had to take photographs of it, excuse me, with my phone and then blow them up and so I could actually read some of the stuff in there. Here's the charging cable. This is all that comes with it. It's not, there was a little bag of spare props. I forgot to throw them back in the box. They're over there. Over in the apartment, but there's not a lot to it. It's just a little indoor flyer. It has the it folds out like this, and then it has the little, I think it's a 200 milliamp hour battery. It's very small, so you're probably looking at like 5 or 6 minutes, but I'll put the flight time in. And the transmitter, it has your normal stuff on here. You know, you got your flips. I think the rate's on one side, the flips are on the other, and the headless mode to press that in. You know, it's not real complicated. You know what I mean? It's pretty simple stuff here, but we'll see when I fly it. We'll see what happens. One thing, you know, nice about it is it has an on and off switch. You know, and that's always a plus. That's always a plus. So let's turn it on and see what happens. Let's get it level. There's the bugs too there because I'm getting ready to test those folding props. Turn on the transmitter. Let's bind it. Fire it up. It has a weird sound to it, don't it? But there's the second rate there. There's the third rate. Woo! Pretty quick, pretty quick. Okay, let's try that again because I noticed a little hesitation there after the flip. I noticed a little hesitation in the throttle, or not in the throttle, in the pitch. Yeah, okay, so after you do the flip, there's a little bit of hesitation in the quadcopter, so don't let it come back. Don't flip it too close to your face because then you'll lose, you know, you'll lose bind with it for a few seconds. So I just turned the headless mode on now. I want to see if it'll do the flips in the headless mode too. Yes, it will. Yeah, for that little second after it does the flip, it doesn't let you steer it. But it does fly nice, man. I mean, this thing flies great. Flies so good it hit me. It hit me right in the shoulder. And I didn't even crash. Yeah, it's very fast, man. Very fast. I think I'll send this out to Donnie. Let him play with it. He can fly this while he's laying in bed. I'm sending Donnie out a little care package so he can have some stuff to play around with while he's laid up. Donnie's a good guy, so he'll get back to normal here pretty soon. Okay, there was a crash, but you know, I was trying to do a little, there's the solo batteries charging. I was trying to do a little maneuver there, but it didn't work out. So that's the way it goes. It didn't hurt nothing. You know, these little indoor quads, they're pretty indestructible. I'll put the flight time in also, but I'm going to restart it from the beginning. Yeah, it flies good, man. Flies good. I don't expect the... Let me get the rate up. I don't expect it to go more than 5 minutes. I mean, it's only like a 200 battery, but it is pretty light. I bet you could fly this outside, actually, because the pitch is so good on it. You see that, right? The pitch is so steep. You could probably fight a little bit of wind with this thing. Look at that. Let's check the yaw out. Put it back in the third rate. Yeah, I don't see a level calibration for this thing. So if you don't have a level calibration option, then you usually have to turn them on when it's level, where it's level. If it's not level, they'll sometimes act up. You see the yaw speed there, right? Okay. Now you see it almost hit the wall because, you know, you lose the bind on it there for a second after the flip's done. And I'm not even bothering trimming it out. I mean, I'm not even going to waste my time since the flight time is going to be so mediocre. I'm not going to waste a minute of the flight time trying to get that out of there. So yeah, I'm really surprised how long it's flying, guys. Seriously. It's a quick little booger, I'll tell you that. I'll put a link in there if you want to get... I think it was only like $16. But I'll put a link in the description below for you to, you know, just go look at it if you want. Just to see what other people are saying about it, but... Ah, you dumb shit. It's always something. I tried to do another. You can't... It doesn't want to let you try to do a funnel in the house with it, so... And whenever you wreck one of these little folding jobs, always make sure the arms are back in there. It's going to make me shut it off. And so it has that like crash protection on it. Yeah, it can take a beating, that's for sure. It's already had 2 crashes in one video. Oh, let's see if it'll... This is the low rate right here, which you guys can see how slow it is. Whee! Let's see if it'll flip in the low rate. So it will. You know, because some of these quads, you know, it all depends. Some of them won't flip in the low rate. Some of them won't flip in the high rate. You know, it just... But it flies okay, you know. Actually, it flies real nice, actually. Man, am I surprised about this battery life in this thing. Wow. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so I'm going to land it because I don't want to ruin the battery. And there you go. The JX1601 Folding Mini. It's a real classic. Alright, Donnie, enjoy it. I'll send it to you. It'll be in the box. Alright, guys. Have a nice day.